Day 6, Lucena to Cabra, a distance of only 14 kilometers. Another thing that the Camino can help to teach you is adaptability, and that you can't have fixed plans, you must react to circumstances. On this day I was injured from yesterday and the rain was intense, and so I spent most of the day holed up in a Spanish bar and only got going by about 4 o'clock. But I think this was good because it allowed me to rest my injury, and I have days to spare, and it's time to make up the lost kilometers later. This route is called the Tren del Aceite, I think, or at least the old route was. It's the railway that used to carry oil, like olive oil, through this region. It's been decommissioned for some time, I think back in the 80s maybe, and now it forms a really very long and convenient greenway for pedestrians and for cyclists, which is kind of a blessing. It's a bit nicer than the farm tracks that are otherwise in this region, just kind of endless wandering through the olive groves. This at least has some nice trees, and you still have the olive groves, of course.